What is the one word for a container to carry things? The correct answer is basket. What is the one word for to bring together? The correct answer is gather. What is the one word for to split into parts? The correct answer is divide. What is the one word for to build something? The correct answer is construct. What is the one word for a hurt or wound? The correct answer is injury. What is the one word for a pile? The correct answer is heap. What is the one word for to move using a shovel? The correct answer is shovel. What is the one word for to make believe? The correct answer is pretend. What is the one word for to surprise suddenly? The correct answer is startle. What is the one word for special clothes for pretending? The correct answer is costume. What is the one word for to run away quickly? The correct answer is bolt. What is the one word for new or recent? The correct answer is modern. What is the one word for something that repeats? The correct answer is pattern. What is the one word for a paper that allows entry? The correct answer is ticket. What is the one word for a small animal that causes trouble? The correct answer is pest. What is the one word for a worm-like insect? The correct answer is caterpillar. What is the one word for to say something is wrong? The correct answer is complain. What is the one word for to move away quickly? The correct answer is dodge. What is the one word for happy? The correct answer is glad. What is the one word for to scatter small drops? The correct answer is sprinkle.